Winning back your mom's trust and rebuilding your relationship.
Hello, everyone. We all make mistakes, but when it comes to hurting those we love, especially our mothers, the regret can weigh heavily. It's not uncommon to seek ways to earn forgiveness and mend that precious bond. Today, we're talking about the specific steps you can take to earn your mom's forgiveness and rebuild your relationship. Remember, every situation is unique, and every person reacts differently, so these suggestions might need adjustments depending on your specific circumstances.
Acknowledge your mistake.
The first step is to recognize your mistake and the pain it may have caused. This isn't about blaming yourself, but rather understanding the situation from your mother's perspective. Before any healing can take place, you must first recognize and accept the harm that was done.
Sincere apology.
Once you've understood and accepted your mistake, the next step is to offer a sincere apology. This doesn't mean just saying, "I'm sorry." Convey your understanding of the pain you caused, the lessons you've learned, and your resolve to not repeat the same mistake. Remember, actions speak louder than words, so your behavior should align with your apology.
Show genuine change.
This is arguably the most important step. After you've acknowledged your mistake and apologized, it's time to show change in your actions. Your mom needs to see that you've grown and learned from your mistake. Consistent, positive behavior over time will help in rebuilding trust.
Give her time and space.
Patience is crucial when it comes to rebuilding relationships. You need to give your mom time and space to process her feelings and decide when she's ready to forgive. Don't rush her into accepting your apology. Understand that healing takes time.
Be there for her.
Once she's ready, you need to be there for her emotionally and physically. Spend quality time together, help her with tasks, listen to her, and offer emotional support. Show her that you care and are committed to strengthening your relationship. While it may seem daunting, it's never too late to mend relationships. By recognizing your mistake, offering a heartfelt apology, showing genuine change, giving her time, and being there for her, you can earn your mom's forgiveness and rebuild your relationship. Remember, the journey of healing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about consistent effort and patience. Good luck!